Hello, in this video we'll talk about how to create and send newsletters from Kinderlime. You can use newsletters to send parents weekly or monthly updates, a calendar of your events, your menu plan, and also attach documents. So from the newsletter section of the website, you would click on Create New, and from here the first thing would be you can select a patterned background to show up in your email. Click on the pencil icon to edit the title. So I'm going to put weekly newsletter. And then this is the area where you can drag different layout options to build your newsletter. So I'll start with a heading and also some text. So my heading will be Dear Parents. And I have some text copied already, so I'm just going to paste that here. So after that's done, I'd like to add a picture. You can see that the picture size depends on the layout option you choose. So some of them will be meant for like portrait photos you've taken with your phone. Other ones will be smaller squares. You'll have the opportunity to crop them when you're putting them into your newsletter. So I'll just pick the large one for now and put it beneath my words. And notice you can drag and drop the photo straight in here. You can upload it from your computer, or you can choose it from the Kinderlime Cloud or the photos that you've already sent out. So I will pick this picture and increase the size a little bit and submit. And after it processes, it'll show up in your newsletter. It might take a minute because of the picture size. And finally, I'm going to just add a little line divider between the picture and the top of my newsletter. So you can play around with this and see what kind of format you like. Once you've created a format that you want to use on a regular basis, you can save it as a draft and it will kind of live in your drafts area. You can make several copies of it each time you want to send out a different version of this message. Otherwise, as soon as you send it, which I'm going to do now, also, here's where you would attach a file. So I'm going to click preview and send, and here's where I can add students for my recipient list. I'll just go ahead and add a couple there. Here's where you would preview what the newsletter is going to look like, and then I'll hit send newsletter. So on the main screen now you can see it's been sent. For the drafts, they all have these three ellipses at the bottom here, the three dots. You can use that to make a copy, rename the newsletter, or delete it. For newsletters that have already been sent out, you can click on it again to send it for more students, or you can click on the draft to continue editing the draft. And that's how it works.